Miss Serby, how do you rip eternity apart with a chainsaw?
That's a great question.
I
I think it's going to involve a lot of slashing and a lot of blood. That's my theory.
An anime theory. Thanks for watching. This is a full-length reaction, so make sure to open up your own copy of the episode and sync it up with the timer that will appear within Serby's hands at the end of my countdown. And if you haven't checked out the playlist yet, link in the top right corner of your screen and in the description down below, because I'm a Chad. Anyways, I'm going to start the episode in 3, 2, 1, play.
Oh.
Right, picking up right where we left off. Oh, rest in peace, Denji.
Chomp.
Yatta.
Yay. Yeah, I told you, lots of slashing and lots of blood. I think I was right.
Wow. Honestly, Serby, I don't know how your brain comes up with this. It's truly incredible. That's why you're my best assistant.
Yeah, I try.
Oh, did his arm get just reattached? Maybe I saw that wrong. Yeah.
I mean, he is covered in demon blood right now.
Yeah, that's true. It's a little hard to tell whether that's his arm or that's just its flesh.
It did look like it was like stringed out though, and then like snapped back in.
Right? Oh yeah, like last time during his battle when he only had like a mini chainsaw left.
You need the little baby chainsaw,
yeah. How far you've fallen. So they met before.
Interesting.
Wait, so does that mean that they met Pochita before?
Maybe.
I'm gonna think that's the correct assumption there.
I feel like maybe Pochita had like a big badass demon form and then like the cute chibi form.
Yeah. Because like Pochita's a chainsaw, but then we're wondering like, oh, why is he just a small cute dog, right? Even though he's supposed to be like this fearsome devil. But we do know that he was kind of like injured when Denji met him first, so maybe he went back into that small chibi form because he was injured and he couldn't sustain his regular form, maybe?
Probably.
It's just an anime theory.
That's a solid anime trope. I can see it.
Also, thanks for the comment section clarifying the OP. The slug was
the snails and
like Yeah,
I read that. That was good.
Yeah. I definitely would have known that if we hadn't reacted to it and people hadn't commented.
I do not know enough about either of those things. So yeah, let's appreciate the info.
I mean, I remember as a kid watching National Geographic, I think the channel was. But like, I wouldn't have made that connection. So, anybody gonna help?
Nah. Like you can see Denji close his eyes in that. I didn't realize. You just
Tasty.
Ew.
Hey, you use what you can, right?
I guess.
Damn. Look at all the grape juice.
Honestly, I thought at the end of the last episode that the fight would just be him like falling infinity slashing at it.
That would have been pretty cool. Sahara. My god, the protagonist of ReZero? Subaru?
The car?
Nissan? So these people died because they were rational and feared devils. So you gotta be crazy. Which makes a lot of sense. Because like Kobeni isn't crazy. And yeah, she wasn't doing too well in this situation.
That was my thought too. She's the one who's the most afraid right now.
Because she's like the regular person in this world. It would suck so much to live in this world, not gonna lie.
Like many anime worlds.
Imagine you're just chilling, right, in your crib and just like having a good time, and then all of a sudden a fucking devil just crashes through the roof.
Yeah.
And smacks you in the face, instantly killing you. Like, come on, man. You didn't live 20 plus years to just end like this. Yeah, get him addicted.
The meat chunks.
Ah, well. Every single time a character repeats something like that, I always think of Kiwi.
I know. the same thought.
Putting on a brave face for Aki. I see. Yeah, it's pretty apparent. Ah, but when she looks at Denji, I see. Aki's too cool for school, that's why he can't win. Oh, holy. Well, rest in peace, Denji. Oh, it's her power, I see. Eureka, dudes! Actually, I think I should start my next stream like that.
Eureka, dude.
Yeah. Eureka, dudes! I'll end it. We're keeping it shady. Oh, man.
Been watching Shady Penguin?
No. Since we talked about him like a few days ago. I don't know. Let me think of iconic outros. Oh. Is it over? Dude. Kobeni's still better than Arai, not gonna lie.
And who?
Arai, the dude who was
Oh yeah.
Yeah, acting like a Mr. Nice Guy.
Yeah, I agree.
At least she did something, even though it was to hurt Aki.
She made a choice and she went with it. She followed through.
I can respect that at least. Arai just didn't do anything. So it's been 3 days. Denji's just kept on fighting this thing. Oh my god, you got well, at least you got out of there, Jesus. And you got it, nice. Hell yeah, dude. I mean, anyone would pass out at that point.
Mhm.
Yes, please. And you guys just be better.
Yeah.
For Arai's sake, I hope that he has some sort of power. Actually, you know what? Arai, just quit, honestly. But Kobeni probably, I don't know. It's up to her.
I mean, it's up to everyone to decide what's right and what's not for them.
Hmm. You can tell, I guess, from the power coming from it. Imagine it was just some random piece of metal. Reinforcements? Ah, I guess you're Shark Boy.
Ooh, oh,
Probably maybe next episode or the episode after that. We'll
I was
see.
gonna say, yeah, we haven't seen the Angel Boy or the Shark Boy yet.
Himeno Sus of Makima.
What's his secret?
Hmm? Oh,
What?
about Denji?
What kind of secret does Denji have?
That he likes Booba.
Is that a secret?
The secret twist is that he's actually an ass man. Oh, go. Oh, oh, kind of a cute dress.
Mm-hmm.
Who are you guys? I guess your parents kind of force her to. Everything is power.
She just stabs it with the chopsticks.
It's a viable way to eat. At least she's using chopsticks. Look on the bright side, you know? Kissu. Oh, he's gonna talk about the kiss. Oh, wow. You sure you want to do it when she's drunk? I'm getting a really bad feeling when she says juicy one. Hell yeah, brother. Oh my god, alright. Oh, he does have power. Fox Devil. Yeah.
So wait, do they have a contract with the same devil?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I mean, if it's based off like the Nine-Tailed Fox, then yeah.
That makes sense.
Oh, Benny. 8 sisters? What the? Oh my god, your parents are really going at it, Jesus. Miss? Piss? Miss? Well, dude, you're fighting devils, so what do you expect? Oh. What is... Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Makima does seem
Right
like a
next
beer
to me.
person.
Never seen her in person. What? Oh my god. Uh-oh. Oh my god. This is so bad. Yeah, oh my god, Himeno, you need to solve her up. Smooth. Somebody's been giving them that. Oh, the fact that he's secretly an ass man? I'm sure Makima knows that. Impossible. Impossible. Oh god, yeah, it's... This is... Oh my goodness, how many is that?
Does beer actually leave rings like that?
I don't know, I've never drank beer before.
I don't drink beer either.
I don't know, water tastes good enough, man. IQ is like 90. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh my god. Makima's really looking at this one.
You know, that's gross enough even without going where I know it's gonna go.
I know, right?
Ew. I don't get what's attractive about kissing.
Oh my god.
No, that's true.
Ara.
You know?
Oh, wow, delicious. Oh my god. Oh! Vegeta, help. Oh, well, I mean, Denji grew up like this, so it makes sense.
Ugh.
What a joke. What kind of mammals are they? The mammals that are like you, dude. Honestly, Himeno... I blame Himeno for that one.
Mm-hmm. Let's just start to blame for that one.
It's all Makima's fault. Are we gonna get a little bit of a ride here? Oh, dude, it's the end for you. You gotta hope that you get reborn or something and redo that. I don't know, there's just something about Kobeni's voice that's just so very nice.
She's very cute.
If this wasn't a devil hunting show, it would be a little different. Oh my goodness. Himeno, what are you doing to this poor boy? The puke girl. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
No.
Oh.
No.
Oh,
no. He is
Very
both
nice.
underage, and you're forcing him into both things he should not be doing.
Don't worry. Just let it happen.
No.
Although, to be honest with you, if they were the opposite sex, this would be very yabai.
It's still yabai.
Oh, man. Yes, he could. Yeah, Himeno obviously knows that. Because, Ruchi? My god, she's really drunk.
Yo.
I bet you she's probably gonna pass out before anything actually happens. Uba. Hey, I'm all for it. Oh man. I'm so excited that we'll get to see next episode too. Oh.
Well, this ED is cute.
Yeah. Oh. The CD is very cute. It's reminding me of the game in Danganronpa. Is that Kobeni?
Yeah.
Ah. Oh my goodness.
No. Why, ED? Why?
Hey, it's a pivotal moment in the story. This will change Denji forever. Oh. I
That
mean,
was an interesting ED.
not my favorite, but it was very cute, and I did like the style.
Yeah. It was cute
Oh,
till we got
man.
to the barf.
I feel like this is kind of a break episode. Just going on having a little fun after, of course, Denji finally gets everybody out of there. Interesting though that the Eternity Demons spoke as if they knew the Chainsaw Devil before, right?
Yeah.
So theory-wise,
Definitely
I think
seems
they're
like
referring to Pochita, Or
presumably the
Do you
Chainsaw
think-
Devil and whatever the relationship is between Pochita, Denji, and that.
I don't know if Denji is like related in any way to Pochita, or he just happened to stumble across Pochita, and
It just seemed like
because of
he found him,
fate or whatever, Pochita ended up merging with him. So now they're kind of like their destinies are kind of intertwined somehow. I don't know. But like, what would Pochita have been doing before he met Denji?
Fighting the Gun Devil. I don't know.
But why though?
I
Like,
don't know.
supposedly, if Pochita was fighting the Gun Devil, why? Because Pochita's still a devil, right? Although, to be fair, Pochita did kind
We
of warm
haven't
up to
seen
Denji.
Pochita do anything remotely evil. We haven't
Yeah.
seen a whole lot of Pochita, but so far he has been only good boy.
We haven't really seen any devil that's just been like that. I feel like the devils inherently are just kind of looking to kill humans because they need human blood.
What do we know about Denji's dad, other than he died?
I believe his mom got super sick, and so Denji's dad went into gambling in order to try to get money for his mom's medical bills, and then he got involved with the Yakuza, and now he owed them a lot, which is why Denji was in that kind of situation in the first place, because of
What
all
do
the
you
debt
think
that
the
he had.
chances are that his dad was the previous contractor to the Chainsaw Devil?
I'd say minimal. I feel like his dad isn't that important enough, and
Nah,
his
probably
poor
not.
management skills probably isn't like super cool dad with Chainsaw Devil contract.
I don't
kinda
think there's
power.
anything that I don't know. Because my thought was just because Pochita was there at the graveyard when he was looking at his dad's grave. That's where he found him. So the question was, how did he get there? Why was he there? And why was he hurt?
Is it really just a coincidence that Pochita happened to stumble around to the graveyard and then find Denji? Or was Pochita, like, I guess your thought process was Pochita kind of like visiting?
More or less.
Yeah, I don't think we
He
have
could have
the
been there
information
looking at a
about that.
different grave, since it was
I
like a
don't
whole
know.
graveyard, I think.
Was it a whole graveyard? Or
can't
were
remember.
they just buried on top of like a hill or something?
Okay, no, it looks like it's just a big empty field with a single grave
Yeah.
and a single
That's
tree.
what I was thinking.
I have no idea how he got there or why.
Yeah, it's a very strange setup. Too much of a coincidence, maybe? We'll have to see.
Could be. The plan was to get him together with Denji all along. Who knows?
Because there is supposedly somebody spreading around like the Gun Devil's flesh, right? There has to be, because like the cases of devils possessing the Gun Devil's flesh is increasing. Or maybe it's Makima. You know, maybe it's Makima the entire time.
Maybe it's a coincidence, or maybe it's Makima.
Yeah, it's either or, really, at this point.
I love the shot at them at the end, though, just hanging out, being people, having fun,
Yeah, true.
getting a little too drunk.
I feel like it's kind of like the rest point, the eye in the storm before shit hits the fan and people start dropping like flies, because they did kind of foreshadow that a little with the fact that the people that joined me aren't here anymore because, you know, we die very often. That's just how it is.
When they're calling in the reinforcements.
Yeah, exactly. That was what I was able to get. Yeah. I'm gonna guess that the reinforcements was like the angel dude we see in the OP and the shark dude. There was also a few
Yeah.
other characters in the OP that we still have yet to see. Don't know if they'll be
I'm
good
hoping.
or bad, but
I'm hoping it's the shark boy. I want him.
yeah. I wonder why Makima would need that right now. On the surface, it's just a poor Denji. But does she have any other motive for that? We'll have to see. Maybe next episode we'll get more context clues as to the reinforcements. If you haven't seen the playlist yet, click on this right here. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more Chainsaw Man. But until next time, see you later.
Bye bye.